Nakabenta ki khobor ke ba man kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Ugarov Gogoi MP ka Congress na ka jila Assam bade unong pet perman ha ka jingjit iki kertong ka party ban pinya khun ha ni ka MLA election shaki yung darbar thawan ka jila ban long ha ubnai banwan men takasngi ulawan ban ye kendo iki kertong ka party ha Congress Bhavan Shillong. Habakran hagilat pathai khubor lo ong ba ulaya kendo iki kertong ki ban pan tiket marui ban ye kran bar ki ban tip ya ka jingtre kam ka jongki ya ka jingpuli ka jongki bar ka jingdon jongki ha ka party na ka jingya kendo las ngothu sha ya ka ka bakipat ba ka jila ki kwa unong yalam ka party congress ong bakidon ka jingkyrmen ka bakraw bakin sale bha ha ka ni ka election bat kum ka party ka snokmen ba ha ka ni ka kinti ka baminta baro ki kertong hidei ki ba ka party ka kermen bakin poisha ka thong ya ka kerteng on sapin nano shen ha ki ni kisngi habala kli habaya dei bakane ka jingya kren penbet put hapren ki artli ki jilla lo ong baka ka balle hapren ka sarkar Assam bat Meghalaya ka dei ka ba onnum la ban pediang batang ki arngut menteri rang ba ka jilla kin yeshim ya karai ulat gogoi ulo ong ba ka jingle dan bor ka ka blaja hapren ka jilla Assam bat Mizoram bat ka ka blaja hapren ka Assam bat Meghalaya kala wanra ya ka jingbam yahun hapren ki pait ba nong shnong President ke MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala lo ong ba ulakren hapo parliament bandawa ba ka sarkar pdeng ka di banthong ya ka boundary commission omtang ka tala pha ru da ka shithi she umintri rang ba do ka re India ban pinbet put kam de ka kam ka basung.
I agree with your assumption. The Congress party was not founded by these two individuals. The Congress party existed much before these two individuals started their political career, before these two individuals were born, and the Congress party will continue to thrive much after these two individuals' political career comes to an end. So I don't understand the basis of your question. The Congress party is far much more than these two individuals, and to associate these two individuals with the rise or fall or the fortune of the Congress party, I think the question doesn't even have merit, because you very well know the legacy of the Congress party. Even in Meghalaya, you know the names of the stalwart Congress leaders in the history of Meghalaya as well. So again, I don't basically agree with the premise of your question. Opportunity for the people of Meghalaya to see new candidates. People of Meghalaya in the past have seen many political leaders jumping from one party to another party, and then and at the time of elections, many of these same people come with a lot of promises, and they fail to live up to their promises, including the current government has failed to live up to many of its promises. There were a lot of expectations from this government when it formed in 2018. They have failed in all the major expectations. So I think it gives people an opportunity that instead of being frustrated by looking at the same set of faces, they are looking at new people with a new set of ideas, a new set of experiences, a new outlook. And I think it brings a lot of necessary energy, positive energy and optimism to our campaign.